Strengthen my spirit when discouragement tries to weigh me down. When doors close and progress feels slow, help me stand firm and keep moving forward.
Let courage rise in my heart like a fire that cannot be extinguished.